this is a medieval toilet. So we just sit here and kind of like compost into the forest. That's what it is. I don't know if there's any medieval toilet paper, but let's check.
If I drove to you tonight, would you wanna get away? We could get on a flight.
We're here at Chateau Zbiroh. And wow, yeah, they didn't even have toilets when this was built. They'd have to just like pee in a pot. Hey, come in. Alright, whoa.
Are we out?
Whoa. Let's go. They didn't make big stairs here. Ooh. I'm getting some heartburn from all that champagne before.
It was still owned by the state. It was sold from the state to
Hlavně pro tehdejší politické vězně. No ale ty to měli, ty už to používali jako ledárnu. Ke chlazení, no, do...
Watch your head. This was a prison there. Prisoners were locked up there. It's wet down there too.
Tady ta stavba před námi, z druhé strany byl ten záchod.
Climbing the tower.
Já už to jdu dneska po třetí, tak to jako oni zvládnou taky.
Good exercise. Oh, it's tight. Oh, this is tight. Big men don't even try to come up here. If you're a big man, just don't try. One way.
Trénink, jogging.
Okay, training. Oh wow, the view. The view is beautiful.
Nahoru ne.
Time to go back down.
Jo, jak se máš?
Down the little winding little stone stairway. Okay, small staircase and Jason.
Will you take my hand and run? Won't you take my hand and we can get away? Here we go. Our dreams will be waking down the road. All I know is we'll be reflecting back when we are old.
They really didn't need the well anymore because there was a regular water system coming to the castle from the town below. The Germans actually closed the well down there because there is an underground system and they were afraid someone would get in through the underground system. So they closed it, and it was there until 2005 when they actually remade it into the original shape and condition.
How many meters do you cross it again?
163. 163 metrů.
163 metrů.
It's deepest in Europe. Dug by man or made by man. Manual.
163 meters.
Já tady mám veselou
Deep well, deepest in Europe. I'll be back.
Dreams will be waking down the road. All I know is we'll be reflecting back when we are old. Let's just run, and as we move, we'll see all of the stars align. Now we are young, so just take my hand, let's get away tonight.
This is a medieval toilet. Cool. I guess there's no flushing. I could just there's the forest out there. Wow. Did they have any toilet paper?
They have it in
Probably
Germany.
not.
In Germany, they wanted to saw in a castle.
This is a medieval toilet, so we just sit here and kind of like compost into the forest. That's what it is. I don't know if there's any medieval toilet paper, but let's check. The box is locked. No medieval toilet paper for you. All right, so this is the toilet seat. I'm done, so I just leave it here. That's it.
Tomorrow, have fun.
Thank you.
Díky. Ciao, zítra. Alright. Don't drink too much in the evening, okay?
Okay, we will.
Beer factory.
Okay, beer factory. Beer factory in Pilsen. Craft brew, right? Craft brew.
Just like 10 types of beer.
Hello.
Děkujeme. Díky moc.
She's gone. Is this what we're drinking?
Je becherovka.
Okay.
No, to je becher.
Oh, I see. We're supposed to mix it with Sprite? Okay.
No mix it. Just
Is it a shot or?
yeah, it's
Oh, it's a
easier
shot?
to shot. Yeah, but a little bit for the taste, and then take a shot.
Okay. So this is good for the hangover, you said? No.
It's good to make a hangover, that's for sure.
It's good to make hangover. Usually, when I'm going to the party, I drink like 0.7 of this bottle. It's alright. So this is like
He's an alcoholic mathematician. Pilsen.
cheers.
So
It's really good.
Okay. Let's begin. He knows it.
That was basically a shot with Sprite. And what shot was that?
Becherovka. It's like traditional Czech alcohol, liqueur, from the Karlovy Vary. Becherovka.
Bechovka.
She knows better.
Becherovka.
Say it.
Becherovka, it's like this.
Egg liqueur.
which one? Oh really? Oh okay.
Božkov, it's also the same.
Yeah, I see.
Alcohol factory is making
Okay.
rum or vodka. It's egg.
No, because I love egg liquor because I love like creamy liqueurs, you know? I love that.
Určitě ne, ale
Hi.
třeba by si dali.
She said hi. Hi. Hello.
Sranda, ne?
Making friends with the locals.
Tady jsme v Plzni, nejsem v pohodě.
All I did was say hello. That's all I did.
but your face, it says everything.
Come to show back.
Dáme Bechera ještě. Becherovka, one more.
Jo, tak dáme ještě jednoho.
In a Sprite, yeah.
But I want the IPA though.
Asi jenom 3krát, ale má to legendarium.
Do you want
just legendarium?
But Koba, okay. Okay, no problem. Same thing. I'm going local.
Yeah. So,
Hi, how are you?
3 Becherovky, prosím.
Jasně. A nějaký pivko?
No, asi no.
Takže všechno.
Do we live?
The Vienna house.
Yeah.
Vienna house.
I don't know. She knows.
Vienna house.
She
Vienna
knows.
house.
Okay.
Vienna house, yeah.
Yeah?
Vienna house.
I don't know.
If you forget, just look at the YouTube video.
All right.
Check my channel.
I have a lot of Becherovka.
Best location.
We in the crib, got a little bitch, hit the shit. Hop out the whip, smoking the dip, grabbing the drip. I got a new rip, pulling the strings, switching my scenes, living like king, we're making it green. It ain't the same, made a new lane, we been on the ship, we made a new word.
Bye bye. See you. See you. Have a good day.
Dreams will be waking down the road. All I know is we'll be reflecting back when we are old.